You create an information product? Why not? You already have the information, right? So why not take that knowledge and turn that knowledge into money? Many people are doing it every single day, and you can do it as well. But you got to get the information to know what you want to say and how to convey it, and how to get that information and package it in such a way that it becomes money for you. Now, time won't permit me to tell you how you can do it exactly right now, but I prepared a special training just for you to help you to do this very thing. And if you'll go over to no2dough.com right now, sign up. Later on, I'm going to share with you what I did to take my knowledge and to turn it into hundreds of thousands of dollars. Now, maybe that's not your goal. Maybe you simply want to earn an extra $500 to $1,000 a month. I'm going to show you how to go about doing that, my friend. So sign up right now, and I'll see you soon.